This is a secret video of how to flout traffic rules like a champion. Let's get on with it. It's a tutorial.
Now the first and most important tip is to do it at a place that you are really familiar with, and you scan the place. Just to give an example, if you have to take a U-turn, did you just see them? Did you just see them? Yes, you need to keep scanning the place. You keep scanning the place and you know what to do. So when you're going to have a U-turn and you want to break the red light, you've already scanned the place and you know you're clear to go. Now this guy is taking a U-turn. He is liable to get caught unless he takes a left turn and goes somewhere else. So while scanning, you already saw something. So don't do it. Another important tip. When you're in the middle of a big traffic jam, anything goes. Because most likely there will be nobody to stop and control you. Everywhere in the world there's a thing called a stop line and a pedestrian crossing. Now in India, nobody has any clue what a pedestrian crossing is supposed to be or what a stop line is. Nobody has any clue. Hey, how does it matter? One pedestrian dead or gone? Make sure your vehicle has the loudest horn that you can find in the universe. That will save you so much, so many times that you can end up in an accident. And when you are stuck in a traffic jam, hey, be a pro. Just move on to the sidewalk, to the footpath and drive on the footpath. Mow down the pedestrians. That's the way to do it. If you're a biker, you're James Bond. You have the license to kill and you have the license to get killed. Goes both ways and it's a lot of fun. Driving in Delhi, one habit you can develop and inculcate is glaring at other drivers. Be it auto drivers, bus drivers, truck drivers, car drivers. Just glare at them, as if they have done something wrong. It will not only give vent to your frustrations, but it will also solve a lot of problems in the world. Just try it. Look at these guys. They are amazing. They are not just champions of flouting traffic rules. They are visionaries. They know beyond. They can really go beyond all of this. Practice these tips and tricks that I just told you. Over time, you'll get better and better at it. Usually I charge money for doing this, but I'm bringing it to you all for free. So it's your turn to subscribe because it's free. If you like this video, please show your love by subscribing to my channel.